Hello. I got Charlie here and Derby behind me, but today we're going to go ahead and refurbish this lamp. So I actually bought this, I want to say like 3 months ago at an estate sale. They had it in the backyard, and as you can tell, it's in kind of rough condition. Looks like it was painted and not very well. As you can see around the edges, it's all scraped up. It's like ceramic, and then it has a nice wood top. It's missing the harp. I don't know, it's a cool mid-century design. I got it for $6, and I've been putting off refinishing it or doing anything with it because I know in this condition it wouldn't sell very well. So I'm gonna go ahead and make an attempt at giving some new life into this. I did already buy a lampshade, which I will show you later. I actually just bought that today. I happened to see it at Love Me 2 Times Vintage Mall while I was there restocking. So we'll put that on this bad boy. And I had a harp from a different lamp, but it doesn't fit, so I do need to buy a different one that will go better with the lampshade. But what I'm going to try to do is attempt to get this paint off, to get it back to its original color, and see if I can do that, I guess. And if not, then I will just paint over this. So that's the plan. Really don't know how this is gonna go or if this is gonna be that interesting, but hey, we'll see how it goes and kind of go from there, you know? So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so attempt 1 will be to use dish soap and water, warm water, and like a scrubber, whatever. See if that will get the paint off. So yeah, I'm guessing will work right now. So it's kind of working, but I've been scrubbing out this for I don't even know how long, and it's kind of taken a long time, so I'm gonna go ahead and try some steel wool too, see if that will help at all. So I've been working on this a while, as you can tell, because it's already dark out. This is probably really terrible lighting, but so the steel wool actually did a really good job. But yeah, it's still in the crevices and stuff. So now I'm gonna go ahead and try the blow dryer and see if that helps with the scrub brush. So go ahead. Okay, so here is round 2. I've picked up these little metal wire brush. Well, this one's plastic, but these ones are metal bristle brushes. So I'll try to scrub out the last little bit of paint here. Okay, so as you can see, I finished getting the paint off, and as you can tell by my hair, it has been a while since I worked on this project. Yeah, just been busy, been going to therapy. I'll catch you up at the end, but I did finally finish scraping off the last bit of paint on this yesterday, which, yeah, this took way too long. But I'm always determined and I have to follow through on any projects I start for God knows why. But we will go ahead and finish getting this lamp done so I can sell it and never have to see it again. And here's just kind of a full view. I don't know if you can see all the way around there. Actually, it's like cracked right here, which is unfortunate. I didn't notice. Definitely not worth scraping all the paint off of this, but still gonna finish it. So we'll unscrew this light bulb. And I actually got, so when I got this lamp, it just came like this. It only had this metal prong part, didn't have the hearth, which I took this hearth off of a different lamp. But it's like, for the shade that I got, it's too high, if that makes sense. So then I had to go on Amazon and I ordered this hearth, which comes with a new one of these things. So now I need to see if I can get this part off. Don't know how. After tinkering with this some more, I did get this like loosened up, and I can't pull it because this plug won't fit through that hole. And this is what it looks like from the bottom. And then I did look up a video and learned some jargon. So this is, I was calling it a hearth, but it's a harp, lamp harp, harp saddle. This little guy, fun little tidbit, that's a finial, which goes on the top. This one didn't come with one, so I have to use the one from the other one I have, so whatever, I guess. But the only way I can get this lamp, this harp saddle out is by taking this apart and unscrewing the wires. This project is the worst. I wish sometimes I could stop things and wasn't so determined to be done as projects, but here we are. So I'll go ahead and unscrew these and then I'll just screw them back in, and kind of scary because I'm fucking around with electrical shit now at this point. At this point I probably should, I really should have scrapped this project from the get-go, not put any more money into this stupid $6 lamp, but shouldn't have invested all the time and effort, and then I've had to buy this stupid part and the lampshade. You know, I guess this will be a learning experience, right? Before I finish putting this all back together, back to kind of where we were, I'm going to go ahead and check a video to make sure that I assemble this right. Okay, so now that I feel fairly confident about putting the wires back on, hopefully I don't get electrocuted when I do that, I'll go ahead and get this reassembled. Next part complete. So I'll put this stupid finial shit on, or the harp on. And really, it's the paint's not perfectly gone. There's some spots. Coloration's not great, but I think at this point I'm just kind of, this is as best as it's gonna get. I'm not gonna paint it because it's just gonna probably chip off anyways. I think the white looks better. I don't know. But voila! This is the lampshade I got. It's kind of like a velvety material, and I don't know. It's definitely vintage. I picked this up at the Vintage Mall that I have a booth at from a different vendor. So yeah, I mean, it would have looked good if this lamp was green, so I probably should have left it alone. But I mean, it's pretty cute, right? And voila! I will put this light bulb in. Let's see if this bad boy works. Okay. Let's see. Oh, shit. Hey! It works! I did it! Yeah, I think she turned out pretty cute. This project was 1000% not worth it. But I'll just take it as a learning lesson of how to prioritize, because just because I can do something doesn't mean that it's gonna be worth it at all. I don't know. But yeah, this video probably is kind of boring. I do have more exciting, or I think exciting things that I'll be filming about. And sorry again that this video took so long. I actually started this like a month ago. And then before I actually filmed this, I had went to Seattle to visit my family that lives up there, meet my new nephew. I had my birthday on the 3rd of November, and a disco party. I went to Oklahoma City and hung out with my friends at a Halloween party, and I met Steve from Blue's Clues, which was pretty cool. Yeah, I don't know. I've just been way too busy. I've been in therapy. Oh, and I got a new tattoo. I don't know how well you can see it. A little scorpion guy and a little safety pin right there. Yeah, that's about it, I guess. The next video I'll be doing will be I'll probably go through my closet, and then I'm gonna redo my bedroom, or me and my husband's bedroom eventually. But yeah, I guess that's it for this one. I hope that this wasn't too boring. Let me know anything that you want. All right, okay, bye.